Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Sorry we're the worst and we never vlog. Today we're gonna go grocery shopping and we're gonna go cooking and we're gonna be consistent with recording videos.
Hopefully.
Maybe.
We'll try our best. So we'll see.
Alright, catch you in the car.
We're on our way to the grocery store right now and we thought we would do just like a little update about like how the school year is going. So we're, what, 4 weeks in?
Yeah, like a month in.
Yeah, about a month in. And it's really nice because we finally are done with recruitment.
Yes! Woo! We got a bunch of new cute 23s.
Yeah, so we're excited about that, but we're also more excited that recruitment's over. Because now we have free time on the weekend. So we're going to use that free time and start, like, I think we're going to start cooking together on Saturdays and then probably making like a little treat too. So I think we're going to do something fall inspired. We already made paleo pumpkin chocolate chip muffins.
They were so good. We made how many? Like 50? And they're like the mini ones and they were gone like within the week. They were absolutely amazing. We'll share the recipe on our Instagram page. Shameless plug.
Yeah, so go follow that. The link will be down below.
For all 10 of our subscribers.
Alright, so we'll update you later.
So we just got back from Meijer. We decided to just show you guys what we got. Meijer, we found so far that we really like it because they have cheap groceries. And as a college student living on a budget, you need the cheap groceries. Alright, first up, 2 gallons of almond milk because everyone needs a lot of almond milk in their life.
I think those are half gallons.
2 half gallons of almond milk.
So 1 gallon of almond milk.
We could do math.
First up for me is spinach.
Next in our bag, we have pumpkin puree because we're gonna make a fall treat. We haven't decided yet. We already did those vegan or paleo pumpkin muffin things that were delicious. So, cooking something up.
I got some more veggies, so I got some fresh broccoli.
So next up we have paleo bread, and this brand is Base Culture. So it's grain-free, gluten-free, paleo, non-GMO, kosher, dairy-free, soy-free, and preservative-free. So usually I like the Justin's coconut thin ones, and those you can find at like Whole Foods, Harvest Market, that kind of thing. But I've never tried out this one. So it's 110 calories a slice, 11 carbs, 3 fiber, and 3 protein. And it belongs in the freezer.
Of course I got coffee, so I got the Starbucks type place because I'm almost out. I literally have 5 K-cups left and that will not last me the week.
Yes. Eggs. Pretty self-explanatory.
And then I got 2 zucchinis because when I'm busy during the week, I just like to make zoodles because it's nice and easy.
Deli turkey. Protein for the gains. Tofu. More gains.
And of course, more veggies, but this time I got frozen veggies. So I got like broccoli, cauliflower, and carrot blend. And then this one is a bunch of different veggies and rice.
Continuing on to our veggie train, we got California blend vegetables, crinkle cut carrots, steamable. There's more. Oh. There's stir-fried vegetables with rice, broccoli, carrot, celery, mushroom, onions, and red peppers with wild rice. And winter blend vegetables. Oh, we got it. Oh, here we go. Oh, California blend.
Alright, next up for me is this Amy's Organic Beans and Rice Burrito, and it's a non-dairy one. I've never had this, but Jess said it was so good, so I figured I would try it just for, again, when I'm busy and need something quick to make.
So good. 10 out of 10. Next, broccoli was on sale. So we got lots of broccoli.
Alright, next I have chocolate because one of our roommates, Haley, had chocolate in the freezer and she would snack on it sometimes, and I thought that was a genius idea, and I love chocolate, so I bought it.
Did you get the mini guys?
No, I got the dark chocolate. So enjoy life, dairy free.
And I'm also gonna try this Artisan Collection Premium Baking Cakes. But these are extra semi-sweet with 48% cacao. Cacao.
Alright, next up I have some chicken. I haven't had chicken in so long, so I don't know. I don't remember the last time I ever cooked chicken, and when I did, it was always like with other people. I've never cooked it by myself, so we're gonna see how this goes.
Blueberries.
Alright, next up I have some spices. What was that? Well, seasoning spices. So I got some onion powder, garlic powder, and cayenne.
Gluten-free, dairy-free mac and cheese. Amy's, I've never tried it, so I miss mac and cheese, so I'll be excited to test this.
And then I got a little snack, so I got this Go Macro Bar. They're so good. I got the Protein Pleasure, which is peanut butter chocolate chip. Love these. A little expensive, but I just thought one.
Pickles.
Last two things I got from Meijer aren't food, but I guess I'll just include them since I bought them. But I just got this Redken Hot Sets 22. I don't know, my hairstylist recommended it, so I bought it. And then I also needed hairspray, so I got the Big Sexy Hair Luminizing Hairspray. So I'm excited to try this out.
And I just have some more chicken for the gains.
And we hope you enjoyed our grocery haul, and we'll be back later for whatever we cook for dessert.
Yeah. Peace out. Originally thought we were going to do more of a fall-inspired dessert, but we figured that we got these from our friend who's an ambassador for Julie's Real Foods. I think they're just called, or Julie's Real. So they're Paleo Caramel Vanilla Blondie Mix, and also the
Dark Chocolate Brownie Mix. So today we decided to do the dark chocolate brownie mix, and then we'll do a little review on it.
Yeah, so she's super awesome. She always gets a bunch of shipments per month, so she figured since we're little foodie people that she'd let us try them. So we got all of our ingredients set out here. You just need almond milk, coconut oil, almond butter, and we're using the one from Thrive Market. So we got this one with our order. It's like a free gift if you buy a certain amount, and then an egg. Just got the brownies out of the oven. They ended up cooking a little bit more than the 12 minutes that they said on the bag.
It ended up being like a long time after. I feel like I had to add like 10 to 15 more minutes.
But let's see if they were worth it. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm so excited.
They're really good.
They're chocolatey. That's good.
I like it.
So they're still warm right now. They're very this would be great if you had a scoop of ice cream on top of it too. Ooh, that would be so good. These are really good. They're very chocolatey. She was a little nervous because we had crunchy almond butter. Can you taste the crunch?
A little bit, but it doesn't bother me.
These are really good.
Because the crunchy peanut butter we use, it didn't really have a lot of
crunch to it.
Yeah, there weren't really many large pieces or anything.
It kind of tastes like fudgy.
I love fudge brownies.
Alright, what do you rate it out of 10? For a packaged premix brownie.
For a packaged premix, healthier option. 9 out of 10.
I agree. 9 out of 10.
We're gonna keep enjoying these, and then our school has a football game tonight, so I think we're having some friends over and we're gonna watch that.
Yeah. We're gonna stream it. We're gonna try to figure out how to stream it on the TV. Wish us luck.
Yeah, we're not very good with technology.
My computer also totally just like died today, so I have to learn how to use a new computer. So we'll see how that works out. But we're gonna work on getting more like
Consistent.
uploads.
We're hoping to do weekly, but we'll kind of see with our schedules. I know like during finals week we probably won't be able to, and like during the semester like when we're really busy, but we'll try.
All right, I'm gonna go get another one. Peace out.
YouTube. I just tested how big I could open my mouth. This is how big. This is day 5 of sorority recruitment.
Yeah.
Rush our fraternity.
Yeah, we're sitting in the rooms, not rushing. We're not supposed to have our phones.
But we don't tell on us.
What'd you say?
I said we're little rebels.
Yeah, we are.
And we're thinking of making a cooking video. Soon.
I don't know when soon is. We'll see.
When there's time and we're not here at recruitment for 12 hours a day.
Yeah. All right. Nice update.